let's take a look at volume of a cone. And I have the formula right at the top. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. And remember, this is very similar to a prism. So a cone, the base is a circle, and a cylinder, the base is a circle. So even though the cylinder is not technically a prism, it's the same idea where the volume of a cone is 1/3 of that of a cylinder. Okay, so a conical pile of sand has a base diameter of 10 meters and a slant height of 8. Determine the volume of the sand in the pile. Okay, so let's draw our triangle. We know that the radius is going to be 5, okay, and we have the slant of 8. But for volume, we actually need height. So let's solve that first. Let's solve 5 squared plus b squared equals 8 squared. Call this b. And we can calculate 8 squared minus 5 squared when we bring it over. Okay, that's 64 minus 25. If b squared equals 39, and then we root it. So let's root it, and we get 6.2. So b equals 6.2 meters. Okay, determine the volume. So now we just have to plug everything into our formula. So volume equals 1/3 pi r squared, and then h, which is 6.2. Okay. If you're wondering how to do this in the calculator, you can put in 1 divided by 3, and then you can put in times 3.14 times 5 times 5 times 6.2. Okay, so this right here is just 1 divided by 3. And we get 162, and I'll just do 1 decimal, 0.2 meters cubed. Volume is measured in cubes. Okay. And the second example, a fountain firework is packaged in a conical container. Its volume, so it gives us the volume this time, and is 210 centimeters cubed, and its diameter is 8 centimeters cubed, or 8 centimeters. What is the height? Asking for the height of the fountain firework. So, diameter is 8, radius is 4, and we have volume is 210. Okay, so this question gives us all the information that we need. Write down the formula. The volume is 210 equals 1/3 the pi 4 squared times h. Okay, I'm going to calculate this right here. 1 times pi times 4 squared. I get 50.24. Okay, so if you're wondering, 50.24h, and then that's over 3. If you're wondering how to do this, cross multiply the 3 up. So we get 210 times 3. So now we have 630 equals 50.24h, and divide both sides by 50.24. Okay, so 630 divided by 50.24, and I get the height of the fountain firework is 12.5, and that's measured in centimeters.